Good morning. It's Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk trading full automatic today. No hands trading. Every single trade is automatic. Uh, Automatic entry, automatic bracket order, automatic trade management, automatic P&L management, automatic time management. Just all sorts of goodies in this automatic trading tool that I'm using today. So that's what I'm doing. I have a data set and a combination of algorithms or strategies, if you will, that I can choose from to trade. I know the probability of each strategy before I trade it. And that's the way I got my trade on today. Today, as I said, trading the MNQ. It is March 26, 2025, 10:55 a.m. and change Pacific time. Over here, we see we're currently short one contract. This denotes one contract short. And our stop is above up here, and our target is below. So we are short. In other words, we sold to enter our position. Okay, so we're short. Here's the target. We're bouncing around. Maybe a little bit more towards the target at this point, but call your attention to the daily candlestick right here. Okay, the daily candlestick, and you can see about, I'll hold the crosshairs right there. You can see about where we are. But we're printing near the low ticks of the day, so nobody knows, but it's quite possible that this will be quite a day. Where have we been so far? So far, we have 572 ticks and closed P&L. That's right, and closed P&L already. 572 ticks, and we're up over 500 ticks in an open P&L. So at the current time, we're up 1,000 ticks. Okay, 1,000 ticks on a future. If you're a trader, then you know how important it is, and seeing this type of information is pretty wild. Okay, so and hearing about the data sets and all of that kind of thing, and strategies and the different algorithms. How did I get into this? I just bought this trading tool and started using it and playing around with it, and this is where it's come to this point. So it's amazing trading. Anyone would say 1,000 ticks on a future is amazing. Let's take a look. Current prices over here. And let's take a look now. We're going to say goodbye to this daily candlestick. We see this gap here. See right there between here and here? There's a gap. So we may go down and fill that today. We sort of fell out of a gap up here the same way yesterday. Okay, so let's say goodbye to this daily candlestick. Nobody knows for sure what's going to happen in the market. Everybody's guess is their best guess. My determination is the market is a random set of probabilities, and I really can see that very clearly. So this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing information for you or anybody else to see. And so let's scroll back in time and take a look at the actual trades that we took so far. So I'm going to say goodbye to this and scroll back in time. And let's see where see where there's a trade, there's a stop, there's another stop, there's a target. Okay. Here we go. This was our entry last night. Boom, right at midnight. You see that? We went short right there. Okay. We went short, and that was a good trade ultimately, because you can see the green trace to it. You can still see our current bracket order here and a price line denoting where current price is, where we just scrolled from. So let's take a look now. We're going to scroll through and see what trades they were. Try to have a steady hand. There's quite a few bars here. Okay, there it is. There it is, one right there. Okay, that's where we hit our target, and then what did we do after we hit our target going short? We tried to take another short right there. Okay, the strategy tried to take another short right there. All right, and that was a bad trade. You can see the red line. Okay. All right, and we stopped out right there. Then what did the strategy do? Went long right there. But then that was a bad trade too. You can see the red line. So it stopped out right there. Okay, boom. That was our stop. And became practically our entry, right? Which we're in right now for this short. Okay, so we're in a short right now. No, as we said, I'm scrolling back to future price now. As we said, no one knows where this will turn out, this current trade. But I wanted to hop on and show you how amazing it is. And we'll check back in on this a little later and see how it turns out. Okay, checking back in on this trade. We've just been kind of hovering around between the entry and the target. We've been a little lower, we've been a little higher. We have about a little over 30 seconds to go in the American stock market. As soon as the American stock market is ready to close, that's when I will exit my trades. Full automatic, as I said, this is no hands trading. Right now we're up, I would say, a little over 1,000 ticks, okay, on the MNQ. So we're about ready to see that close here. And we're just kind of bubbling around and printing around. Let's see where it fills. No hands, end of day. There it is, right there. That's our fill right there. Our result right here. 529, 1 MNQ contract, okay, that's over 1,000 ticks, okay, over 1,000 ticks, my friends. Amazing automatic trading. The results and the ticks speak for themselves.